doing great and staying safe at home. This is Darsha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a Clovia haul. And if you guys remember, the last month I did a video which was called as the product which changed my life. And in that video, I talked about a product from Clovia Botanica. That was a sponsored video from Clovia Botanica, and from there I got the idea of doing this video. So I shopped from Clovia and I got some really cool and amazing bras and padded tops and camisoles. So yeah, I hope this video is going to make you feel free of all those things which are happening right now. And yeah, here we go, and let's just get started with today's video. So this is how the packaging looks like. ये एक छोटा सा डब्बा आया है जिसमें मेरे सारे आइटम्स हैं. So इससे पहले भी क्लोविया की वीडियो में I talked about the packaging. The Clovia packaging is so hot, like it's so warm, it's so cute. I absolutely love the packaging. I have that डब्बा अभी भी. I keep my things in that. I use that box as a storage, and now I'm gonna use this box again as a storage. So yeah, I'm gonna save this box. So I'm gonna quickly open this box and show you guys what's there inside my Clovia dabba. So this is what my Clovia box looks like. I am gonna start with the bras. So I got 4 bras at ₹799, and that was an amazing deal. And I feel proud of myself that I got such amazing cool bras at just $899. Whoa! So I picked up 4 bras at ₹799 only. So the first bra that I have is a non-padded, non-wired full cup t-shirt bra in beige. This is cotton rich. So this is what the bra looks like. So this is what the t-shirt bra looks like. This is beige in color as I already mentioned, and I absolutely love the neckline of this one. It's very sleek, and this is the most comfortable bra slash item of this whole haul. So yeah, this is an amazing and a very comfortable cool bra. I absolutely loved it. So if you want to pick this one bra only, I'm going to tell you the MRP and the offer price of this one. So the MRP of this one was ₹545 and the offer price was $272. So if you want to only grab this one bra, you can absolutely pick this up. Moving on to the next bra we have. This is a cotton non-padded non-wired bra with detachable straps in white, and this is what the bra looks like. Again, the neckline of this one is it's amazing. I absolutely love the neckline of this one, and this one comes with a detachable strap. So if you want to remove these straps, you can absolutely do that. And these are the transparent straps, so I don't feel like if I am going to remove these straps from this one bra. So talking about the quality of this one, the kapda is so good. Like the quality of this one is amazing. And if you can see, यहाँ पे 2 कपड़े हैं. So yeah, this is going to just hide everything. And same इस तरह में भी है. So इसमें भी 2 लेयर हैं. So yeah, this is an amazing thing about these bras. So I'm gonna quickly tell you the price of this one. The MRP was ₹545, but the offer price was $272. So yeah, you can get these at $272 or maybe less than that. So currently I'm on my Clovia app, and I can see this offer which is coming on my screen, and this is buy 2 bras for $499. So you get 2 bras at ₹499, which is an amazing deal again. Alright, moving on to the next bra we have. This is a lace non-padded non-wired full coverage bra in black, and this is how this bra looks like. This is a black net bra, as I already mentioned, and this is how this bra looks like. The one thing I don't like about this bra is that यहाँ पे I thought there was a कपड़ा, but इसमें यहाँ पे कोई कपड़ा नहीं लगा है. This is the only one thing I don't like about this bra. But the reason why I love this bra is that the net fabric is very soft, so it's very comfortable to wear this. ये बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि कहीं से भी चुभ रही हो. And if you are one of them who like investing their money on very soft कपड़ा की bras, so I will definitely say to try out this one. This is very soft and this is a very comfortable bra. After this t-shirt bra, this is the most comfortable bra, and I absolutely love this. This is the bra which can wear as a bralette too, but the thing is that you have to wear something inside this. So like if you can wear a white t-shirt, the plain white t-shirt, and उसके ऊपर से ये, and this would look amazing. Your outfit would look super hot and super cute. And the second option would be a black t-shirt. So I know this is black, and that and the t-shirt that I'm telling you is a black t-shirt. So if you wear a black t-shirt under this, it would look like कि आपने एक ही outfit पहना है. It won't look like कि आपने ऊपर से कुछ bralette पहनी है. उसमें ऐसा लगेगा कि वो bralette जो है attach है, and it would look really cute. So yeah, if you want, you can definitely try this out. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly tell you the MRP of this one. The MRP of this one is 566 rupees, but the offer price is 283. So yeah, if you want, you can grab this. Alright, moving on to the next and the last bra of this video. It's going to be a flare non-wired full coverage t-shirt bra in maroon. This is again a t-shirt bra, but this is the most, like, I love this bra the most. So this is what the bra looks like. This is maroon in color, and this is my most favorite bra of all the bras, all the things that I got in this haul. So the thing that I like about this bra is the pad. The cuff area is super amazing. So the thing is that this is a non-padded and non-wide bra, but you can see ये जो कपड़ा है, it's very like, it is not like a कपड़ा, it's not like a normal fabric, it's like a very thin pad. So I feel like this is a padded bra, but this is not a padded bra. I absolutely love this cuff area, and the neck is looking so gorgeous. Like again, it's very comfortable. The neck fabric of both of these bras is very soft. Talking about the MRP of this one, this is for 566 rupees, and the offer price of this one is 283 rupees. And I would highly recommend you guys to check this out. So the next item I'm going to show you guys is a crop top, and this is a snug fit active crop top with twist knot in lavender. So this is what this top looks like. This is lavender in color, and I was finding out a lavender top, like a lavender top or a lavender dress for a long time, but I never found a perfect top or a perfect lavender dress, and I found a crop top, lavender color crop top on Clovia app, and I have to definitely pick it up. The fit of this one is so cool. The size that I got is small in size, so this fits me really well, and this is a padded top, so you don't have to wear anything like any bra inside this top. You can only wear this, and it's so comfy. Like I absolutely love this top. This is my favorite crop top now, and this is how this top looks like. And this has a knot over here, which looks so amazing. And यहाँ पे Clovia का label है. So yeah, this is how this top looks like. And I'm going to talk about the MRP of this one. So the MRP of this one is 1,259 rupees, and the offer price was 460 rupees. So yeah, this is an amazing top, and I would definitely recommend you guys to pick this up. So I shopped all these items from Clovia, and I also got some freebies from Clovia. So the first item is a royal blue color camisole, and I absolutely love this one. So yeah, this is how this one looks like. The fabric of this one is so cool. So yeah, this is how this one looks like. The fabric is so good, and I'm so surprised with the size, that the size fits my body really well. It's so amazing, so cool, and I really wanted to thank Clovia for sending this as a freebie. So yeah. The next free item that I got from Clovia is this cute pouch. So this is a Tropical Breeze 6-in-1 eco-friendly liquid laundry detergent, and yeah, this is how this package looks like. So I'm gonna give this to my mom, and she's gonna use this. Yeah guys, with this item we have reached the end of this video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and interesting. I'll give all the links of these products and the Clovia app below in the description box for you guys. So yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up